Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week is another video on how we are going to baby-proof our house. Our granddaughter will be staying in this particular room, and we were uncomfortable with all this exposed printers for this printer case that we built some time back. So we're going to show you how we change this into this.
This project wasn't very difficult to make. It's just a temporary cover that we're going to use while our granddaughter is around.
Now, before we get into that, be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and leave a comment. This helps our channel to grow, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button as well. Now on to the video.
We hope you enjoyed this very simple baby proofing project.
It's a tongue twister. It took us 5 times to get through this. Next week we have another one. We're going to make the first of a couple baby gates, and we're going to do something that's a little bit different. I haven't seen anybody else do that, but who knows, they probably have. But it's our version of a custom baby gate, and we'll show you step by step how we do that. So until then,
bye-bye. This project wasn't very difficult. This is just a temporary cover that we will use when she's around.
we're going to go ahead and